Hello friends, you are welcome in our video. We know that you like our videos very much. For this, we have now added the caption for this video in more than 36 different languages for you people. That's true now. Select your favorite language with title and instruction. Enjoy the video and subscribe the channel.
Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360 Intel 13th Generation i5 EvoTM 39.6 centimeters. It has display 15.6 inches, 39.6 centimeters, Super Amoled and 1920 by 1080 resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, 500 nits HDR, touchscreen with S Pen design, aluminum body with 13.7 mm thickness and 1.46 kg. It comes with Wi-Fi 6E, without CD drive, vertical bar battery, 68Wh and charger, 65W USB Type-C adapter. It features camera, 1080p and intelligent video call solution with Intel collaboration, vertical bar, Dolby Atmos, microphone, one headphone out/mic in combo, keyboard, backlit. It also features ports, one Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C and one USB Type-C, one USB Type-A and one HDMI. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.